Hello, students. Yesterday we were studying chapter 1. So let's continue. You can be an addict to television, computer, or mobile. The negative influence of the modern media is more dangerous because it is easily available in every home. Watching stories of courage, triumph, and success inspire you, while violence and misadventure may lead to experimentation. A positive attitude towards television would mean to limit the amount of time and type of programs to be viewed. This is self discipline. This para you may easily understand because it directly relate with our modern technology. It is true that we easily become addict of television, computer, mobile and many different gadgets. Actually, not only illiteracy made us enslaved, the use of these gadgets may also ruin our future because utilizing our time we truly waste it on these type of distraction. So to come out of it we have to fight with it. As this time lockdown is going on and all of us are in our home, you all feel such a relief that now there is no need to study because you don't have to go to school, even though you all have been provided by this online classes, but still you are spending your time on watching TV, computer, mobile. I'm not saying that it is bad, you should not use it. You should use it, but in a limited way. Otherwise you all would be enslaved by use of these gadgets. So utilizing your time in studies as well as the other creative works. Next para is, let us cultivate good habits early in life. Laziness and idleness must be abhorred, for they enslaved a man to have a narrow vision of life. Freedom is often misunderstood by youth as a state of life without rules and regulations. Since most of the youth detest rule and regulations, some of the teenagers consider the dictates of parents and teachers as a sign of slavery, though these are for their betterment. Freedom does not mean lack of rules and regulations. Most of often teenagers misunderstand it that we are not free because they think their parents and teachers are restricting them, but actually it is for their betterment. Next para is, freedom is not the absence of rules and regulations, rather it is the absence of an outside control over one's free will. One should willingly submit to rules and regulations because they are essential for one's growth and development. Life may be compared to a kite ready to fly into the air at the slightest motion of the wind. The thread controls the movement of the kite. If the kite remains attached to the thread, it will fly long. If not, it shall get entangled and get lost in the vast space. Freedom is only beneficial till it does not harm freedom of anybody else. So rules and regulations are the element which maintain freedom for each and every individual. Let's take an example that life may be compared to a kite which is ready to fly, and thread controls the movement of kite. If the kite remains attached with thread, it will fly long, otherwise shall get lost in the vast space. Same way, if there is life with no rules and regulations may make you indisciplined. Therefore, discipline is very essential for your life, for your betterment of your future. Thank you.